Hi guys, this is mamTa. Welcome back to my channel. So today's makeup look is very simple and kind of everyday makeup look. No foundation, no concealer. You can do it within 5 minutes. Perfect for when you're getting late for your work or your school. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to turn on my 5-minute timer and I'm going to apply my sunblock, and then I'm going to apply my BB cushion from Lauder. It's in the shade Warm Vanilla. So this look is very simple and no foundation, no concealer, no any drama, no any full coverage, because we are getting late. And you don't have to worry about your skin texture because no one is perfect in this world. Everyone have imperfection. I do have some pigmentation, dark circle, blackheads, because this is our real life. So yeah, you don't have to worry about this. This is totally normal. So stay beautiful inside and outside. So now I'm going to set my face with my Fenty Beauty blotting powder, because it's a summertime, we sweat a lot, so we need to set our face. So now I'm going to fill plus shape my eyebrow, because this is the frame of our face. We cannot skip this, and this took me 2 minutes. I'm imagining your face and all the little silly things you used to say. This is the pain that I can barely tolerate. Never thought it'd be this rough. Now when it's made in front of people, it's a fake. 'Cause deep inside I'm crying. So now we are running out of time. Quickly I'm going to set my eyelid and curl my lashes, and I'm going to apply some mascara. It's a waterproof mascara from Too Faced, Better Than Sex. Closest thing to an angel that I ever met. So don't you worry, I'll never forget you. Okay, so for the blusher, I'm going to take this Benefit Gold Blusher, and I'm going to apply some highlighter as well. It's from a Wet n Wild highlighter, a little bit on my highest point of face to get that subtle glow. So without lipstick I look dead, so I'm going to take this Colourpop lipstick. It's in the shade Cami. I really like this lipstick. This is my favorite everyday lipstick. I took it everywhere. It's always in my bag. So we still have 1 minute, so I'm going to touch up my face. So that's it for today. I hope this video helps some of you guys out there, and yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. So till then, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.